Hello friends, welcome to yet another session of our live streaming. So today we will go through some of the most asked questions, and we will be actually this is actually a trial for you. You may try to actually answer these questions yourself. If you are unable to answer these questions, we will come up with the answers in a later session. Okay, so this is one of the latest set of questions. Okay, so I can give some clues as well. I mean, if you want, but if you have any doubts now, please comment. Okay, primitive data types. So I mean, one of the most asked questions is something regarding the 20 data types and reference data types in Java. What is the difference? You have to explain all these things. So, describe. Second is the concept of object-oriented programming, and what are the key concepts of object-oriented programming in Java? What are the instances? How what I mean from the classes and the interfaces, everything is separate mixing up. Okay. So, discuss the access modifiers. I mean, what are the access modifiers, and what is the flow? I mean, from top to bottom, which is the most restrictive of that, and which is the least restrictive of that, both in the case of classes, methods, and data. What are the access modifiers? Okay, access specifier. You can tell us access specifiers or access modifiers. Okay, and okay. So the next is the what is garbage collector, and what is its use? How is it used? How it works? Okay. Uh, Inheritance, polymorphism, and examples. What is inheritance and what is polymorphism? Uh, how you are going to use it? Okay. So this is the give solid examples. This is very important. Different types of exceptions and how to handle them effectively. Actually, all these things, if you want to answer now, there is a lot of videos I already put up. You just go through those videos and gives a lot of answer. I mean, you will be able to answer all these things. Explain the benefits and drawbacks of using static methods and variables. What is static methods? I mean, static is, I mean, it is normally used everywhere. Well, I mean, even in the main method, we are using static. What is static, and what is static methods, and what is static variables? Okay. What is multithreading and importance of concurrent programming? What multithreading and importance of concurrent programming? Okay. Explain the purpose of interface and their role in achieving the abstraction. Interface and role in achieving abstraction. What is interface? It is nothing but an abstract, almost like an abstract class without any code. I mean, logic inside that. That is basically interface. You can have final variables. You can have final methods. I mean, you can have methods that abstract methods and final variables together mix. Sorry, I am not supposed to answer all these questions in this. We'll answer in the coming session. So next is the describe functionality of collection framework and commonly used collections like ArrayList, HashMap, etc. Okay, where you use it, how it is used, what is the difference, what is hash set, like that. Okay, explain the difference between abstract classes and interfaces. That is yet another uh, question. Okay, you can just tell whatever it is. I mean, a class and interface has two differences, mainly two differences. So you have to tell a lot of differences are there, but mainly two differences at least you have to tell. Discuss the concept of inner class and use and their use case. Everything you can see in all past videos now. All these questions have been answered perfectly. Most of the programming use cases, everything has to answer in the code, everything, everywhere you will find all these things. Significance of generics in Java and how they improve the type safety. Okay, this is yet another thing. Describe the purpose of annotations and their applications in Java. Mostly you will be using at override, etc. everywhere. Okay, so what is the use of all these things? Annotation. What is annotation? Okay, how you use it? Explain the difference between synchronized and volatile keyword, multi-threading context. Okay, threading. We had gone through threading. Actually, synchronized keyword. There is synchronized method and synchronized keyword. Synchronized methods are there, as well as synchronized keyword is there. What is the difference? How you use it? Okay. Synchronized method also uses the synchronized keyword. Okay, okay. You have to use that multi-threading context. Discuss the concept of lambda expressions and the impact of functional programming in Java. The lambda expressions also we have covered in our classes. So please go through that. It will help you a lot. I mean, previous lessons helps you a lot. Explain the purpose of Java development kit and Java runtime environment. So all these things you are, I mean, whatever you know about all these things, you can. Some of the cases they ask all this. Discuss the difference between a shallow and deep copy in Java. Shallow copy and deep copy in Java. What is the difference? Okay. Explain the concept of serialization and its use in persisting data. Okay. Describe benefits of design patterns and in Java and provide examples. Okay. So the last one, that is the 20th one, we hadn't covered. I think two or three we can actually discuss here. Two or three mostly used things are, what is that? Singleton patterns are mostly used. Then what is that? Factory patterns, factory method patterns, abstract factory patterns. So everything is used every time in a lot of ways. We are using all these things. So just try to remember and answer all these questions. We will actually have another session where we answer both. We will be having both questions. We will be answering all these questions. Okay. So these are the examples. Design patterns is actually very important when you consider Java. So we will actually give another session on design patterns, purely dedicated to various design patterns and how it is used. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for listening. Thanks very much. Please continue to share, subscribe, like, and give at least a few likes. Okay. So everything will be okay for me as well. Okay. Thank you.